All right, welcome back to Monster Transmission. We're here at the back of our facility. We got a new product to showcase, and that is our Chevy 377 engine. This engine block is made 100% brand new in America. This engine is also 400 horsepower and a whopping 450 torque, so high torque. A lot of people enjoy this. We've sent it out to a handful of sponsorships already. They've done fuel injection, they've done carburetor on these engines. It's a great combination, and it goes great with what we got right here. 480 transmission with a billet Thor converter, bolts right up, plug and play, and rock and roll. Put in your favorite resto-mod or old school hot rod. It's a great combination. 480's very heavy duty. You can even bolt this up to a 700. So for more information on these products, pricing, availability, give us a call, Monster Transmission, 800-708-0087. And you'll talk to one of our agents. They'll let you know what'll work best for your application. And let's get you on the road.